You wake up, check your phone, scroll endlessly. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week. And before you know it, half your 20s are gone. That's exactly what happened to Rayhan. At 23, he felt stuck, not because he lacked ambition, but because he didn't move. He had dreams of building something, maybe a brand, maybe a YouTube channel. But every time he sat down to start, his mind told him, "You're not ready." So he'd distract himself. Games, reels, YouTube videos about productivity. Ironically, watching how to be productive made him feel productive without doing anything at all. And this cycle, it felt safe, because doing nothing doesn't come with failure, but it also doesn't come with growth. One day he heard a line that hit him. You don't need motivation. You need momentum. That's when things clicked. He didn't try to overhaul his life. He didn't throw away his phone or build a vision board. He just started with 10 minutes. 10 minutes a day, recording thoughts into his phone. At first, they were rough, cringy even, but he showed up. Day by day, those 10 minutes turned into real content. 6 months later, he launched his podcast. And while it didn't blow up, something more important happened. He was finally building. So if you're in your 20s and feel lost, here's how to fix it. Stop chasing perfection. Pick one thing you're curious about. Do it for 2 minutes, just 2. Because once you move, you keep moving. That's not motivation. That's momentum. You don't need to change your life today. You just need to take the first step. Because the greatest regret people have in their 30s is wasting their 20s waiting to feel ready. You're not behind. You're just stuck. And getting unstuck is as simple as starting badly. Your 20s aren't for winning. They're for trying. So try, mess up,